Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my live. I'm here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys how I make money daily. Please make sure to give me a follow, join the Discord link in my bio to get access to a ton of information and knowledge. It's a great place to hang out and learn without having to pay anything. Hey Jake, hey Ashu, Vince, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to my live. Trying to get into a trade right now with BTC USD. Looking to maybe catch a long position here. Currently, the PSAR is on top, so it is currently in a down position. We'll see if we can get that to trade. Hey, Yash, happy, what's going on? So we trade crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. All sorts of stuff, like the range bars up here. Again, we have cryptos, 6 different indices, the stocks, and forex. I don't trade futures or options. For indices, you trade CFDs. No, just like Russell. I trade Russell, Nasdaq, S&P 500, gold, and oil. I don't know why that's freezing up. All right, so I come on here, you guys, every single day. Just talk to people. Try and help teach them, about using risk management and protecting their accounts. At the end of the day, it's always about protecting your capital. A lot of people just don't know how to do that. So that's one of the reasons I come on my lives here. Yes, YK contract for difference for the SPX 500. SPX 500 is the S&P 500 index. Yes, it's the same thing. Yep, absolutely same thing. This S&P 500 right here, you have the Russell, Nasdaq, gold. You have oil, and then which one was that? And that was the Dow, and then the Dow Jones as well. So a lot of brand new traders make mistakes on their accounts by just blowing and losing all their money just because they risk way too much. I'm always talking about just using like 1% of your account when you're trading, using stop losses and take profit, because that's how you're going to end up protecting your money and making it go a lot farther and eventually getting to build up your account. But it takes time and practice, and having a good regiment in place when you're trading is really, really important. Then they lack consistency in their trading as well. They're always trading all sorts of different stuff, trying to find the edge that they're looking for. But because they're not being consistent, they just keep losing their money over and over again. So you have to be consistent. Stick with like maybe just one pair, kind of like BTC USD, maybe gold, maybe oil, maybe a certain stock. But it's always good to really stick with that certain one as well. And then a lot of guys, they trade out of emotion as well. Trading, getting rid of emotion when you're trading is really, really hard as well. It took me 3 years to really learn that. I always let emotions get a hold of me. I get super excited or whatever when I was trading, and I get that. But at the same time, you have to trade it to look at what your trade is doing, and that's it. And just have a goal in place when you're trading, right? So I have a stop loss to protect my capital, and then I have my take profit of the goal that I'm looking to meet every single day. Hey, someone somewhere, thank you for the follow. I really do appreciate that very, very much. If you guys could too, please hit that like button. That does help out my my algorithm as well. Like I said, to avoid all those kinds of mistakes, again, only use 1% or less when you're trading. That's what banks do. That's what companies do, right? They only risk a small percentage when they're doing business, and that's just what we're doing here as well. Again, anyone who's just joining, welcome to my live. I'm here trading daily. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said, these are range bars here. Again, they only move off points and not time. So they're not time-based like this is a 5-minute time frame here. And it's always different sizes, different lengths, right? And it's really hard to get a reading on which way the market is going. These are very linear. They're very easy to read. So you're just looking for that reversal and pullback. So this was a downtrend here on LTC. had a pullback and then continued down. So that it's not super complicated. Again, these have a whole bunch of indicators all built into one, and that's what creates these range bars, right? As part of my strategy as well, we use the RSI, looking to be oversold or overbought. So if it's around 30, then it's oversold. If it's 70, it's overbought. And so if it's overbought, it means that we're heading down. If it's oversold, then we should be heading up. We mix that in with the PSAR, which are the dots here. If they're on top, then it means the market is trending down. If they're on the bottom, then it means that we are trending up. So right now we're under the 50 on RSI. The PSAR is on top, which means we're heading down as well. And then we have the range bars is kind of going back and forth right now. So we're looking to either have this reverse, have the candles hit the PSAR, showing that it's reversing up. And then you can do this, then you do that. So there's the audio signal of BTC USD. So what we're going to do is, because this is so close right now and this is starting to move up, we're going to jump into a long position here. Again, only using 1% or less of our account, so I'm doing 0.5. All right, so we're going to jump into that long position there. All right, let's see, stop loss. So always make sure, so this is always just a $50 trade. Oops. All right, there we go. And then same thing for the take profit. All right, and just like that, now we have that stop loss and then take profit in place. And then we can ride the market out. We'll see if we will continue up there. All right, let's see. Greg Johnson, I can't find how to get the range bars on the Discord. All right, let's go to... So if you go to, okay, so I'm in the Discord right now. You should be go to the training videos here. I have a whole bunch of videos on how to do all that. But what you can do, Greg, as well, you can go to, just go to them directly. You don't have to go through the Discord. Go to futurecapitaltrading.net. And then you can get them directly that way as well. It's just going to bring you to the same place. But go to futurecapitaltrading.net and you'll be able to sign up and get them. But yeah, they are in the videos as well. If you go to the Discord, I should have my link. I sure thought I did. Maybe I don't. Pretty sure it did. Oh, here, this should be under how to start. Right, so it's under how to start right here, futurecapitaltrading.net. So that's where they're at, under how to start, and it gets you all set up for that. But you can just go to futurecapitaltrading.net and you can get them there as well. Hopefully that will help you out. Hey, Britt Tucker, what's going on? Coach. Hey, Chris Palmetto, what is going on? Again, Coach Mitchell. Hey, what's going on? Again, these are the range bars here that we were just talking about. These have crypto stocks, Forex, and indices. So these have a whole bunch of indicators all built into one, and that's what makes these what they are. Again, we're just looking for reversals and pullbacks. That was trade up now on ETH. Again, these have audio signals as well. So these take all the noise out of the market. You don't have all this up and down, different size candles and stuff. They're all the same size. Each one's like 20 points. So you're just looking for about 5 to 10 bars, depending if you're doing like a 50 or 100 point trade. Hey, Greg Johnson, were you able to find those range bars? Hopefully that did help you out. So like I did say, I come on here all the time, you guys, just teach new people how to use risk management when they're trading, right? Protecting their capital, because at the end of the day, it's all about protecting that. Taking the smallest amount of losses as possible and getting the most amount of gains. So the more that you can make safely, the better, right? And then you don't want to lose all your money either in a trade. So we only trade a smaller percent. So we only trade 1% or less in a consistent basis of having a consistent strategy. And that is how you're going to end up making money in the long run. You have to treat it just like a business. Part of that strategy is we use the RSI, the PSAR, again, and the range bars here. So it's like I said, we're in a trade right now. BTC USD, we're just looking for that pullback. We've had that audio signal that said buy now, saying that we were going up, but this is pulled back a little bit. We'll see if this will continue up. But it's like I said, you never know what the market's going to do. It changes every single day. So we always put that stop loss and take profit in, because you don't know which way the direction the market's truly going to go. A lot of people try to guess at what's going to do, and I'm not guessing. I'm just going off of what I see, and then I let it move from there. But again, I'm just protecting my capital. So if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. And I do have in my Discord as well all the videos on how to use the range bars, right? And then how to use the RSI, the PSAR, how to use TradeXN. This is the name of the broker here. They have no trading fees and low spreads. That's why I use them. I haven't found anything better yet that compares. But I'm always on the hunt, so maybe somebody will have something. I haven't found anything better yet that compares. But I'm always on the hunt, so maybe somebody will have something.
USD. Trade down now on USD.
Oops. All right. Hopefully you guys are still with me. It looks like we are. All right. So we'll see how this trade plays out here. Again, we're just looking for 50 to 100 point trades. I am trading Bitcoin right now, BTC USD. Hey, US Airman, what's going on? Mark Debray, what's happening there? Hey, US Airman, what's going on? Mark Debray, what's happening there? Here, the PSAR is still saying that we're moving in that down direction, so they're kind of contradicting. So we're wanting to see if this is going to hit that PSAR and then continue up. And then we have the range bars here as well, kind of giving a back and forth mixed signal. So we'll see. We did have that pullback, so it looks like it's going to continue trending down. But again, we'll see how that goes. That's why I always put that stop loss in place, because again, the market can go against you, and at the end of the day, you're just looking to protect your capital as much as possible, so you don't blow it by just spending way too much. All right. So it's always important to remember that trading is all. All right. So it's always important to remember that trading is all. What will happen if the trade stays more than a day? Nothing will happen if it stays more than a day. I think I've only seen it a trade, and it was a long while back, and the market was totally flat. It lasted about 8 hours, and then it finally sold. Like that trade just went through just now. It automatically trades for you. I didn't have to hit the button to do it. It automatically sold because it hit my stop loss. Right? I mean, that's all it is. And same thing for your take profit. If it goes up and hits your take profit, it sells for you. I don't have to worry about it. I'm not stressing over it. I'm not having to watch it. I can actually go look at other trades. I can talk to you guys. I can leave the house. I could go do whatever. And it's automatically going to finish out that trade for me. Now, I always manually put guys. I can leave the house. I could go do whatever. And it's automatically going to finish out that trade for me. Now, I always manually put them in, but it will automatically finish that trade. So, all right, so this thing is still pushing down. As you can see here, the range bars, again, are just continuing all down. So we'll look for that next reversal. No, there's no fee if it stays more than 24 hours. I've never even heard of that, honestly. This isn't like futures or options. This is just derivative trading. you can leave your trade in as long as you give it room, right? So if I have it sitting for options, this is just derivative trading. You can leave your trade in as long as you give it room, right? So if I have it sitting, so when we are trading, again,
Trade down now. BTC USD.
trade down now, BTC USD. So once you get into a trade as well, if you hear that audio signal, you just pay attention to the first one you hear. If you hear it again, you just ignore that because it's just looking for that next trade. So you'll always hear audio signals, but you're just looking for that first one, and that's the one that you get in with. But like I said, the PSAR is still on top here and is still heading first one, and that's the one that you get in with. But like I said, the PSAR is still on top here and is still heading. Let's see. Yeah, so gold is actually reversing. If this turns,
Trade down now. ETH USD.
trade down now on ETH USD. Again, those have audio signals as well with the range bars. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up. So we're watching gold, and we're going to see if gold is going to move on up. See if this is going to do a reversal. Like we're just on the 5-minute time frame. So the reason I do come live is because I want to be able to learn and be very consistent. And now I'm doing very well with this strategy, and so I just wanted to share the knowledge with you guys as well. And also, please use my referral code as it helps me make a commission as well, and it's a win-win scenario. Y'all get to learn for free, and also make I make small commission from TradeXN as well. So I would appreciate that too. Hey Nostrum, we say fun, PHUN. All right, like I said, we're watching gold here. See if we can maybe catch a reversal, if it'll turn around. We are way oversold on the RSI. We're down near 25 as well, and then we're starting to catch that reversal on the indices on gold range bar here as well. So if we can have the PSAR confirm by reversing, getting up above that 20 SMA, then we should be able to buy into a long position there as well. So it's important too to understand that anyone who really wants to make it in trading will need at least $10,000 to $50,000. Now the reason for this is we make small percentage gains on a regular basis, and a 1% gain on 10,000 is $100. So in practicing and testing strategies, I used to start off with around $1,000 to $5,000. Since I can do a ton of trades like 0.01, practice trades that were worth about 50 cents to $1. Depending on where you set your stop loss and take profit. But it's really good to practice with a live account instead of just a demo. Trade up now on BTC USD, but we still have that PSAR on bottom. All right, let's see. So we're still waiting on that. Raj, you're asking for AMD. I don't know if we have AMD on here. I can never remember some of these stocks. Oops. AMD.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
So
Trade up now on
AMD right now on the 1 hour time frame is definitely skyrocketing right now. $174.05 is where it's currently sitting right now, like I said, on the day chart. So I don't know how you trade.
Trade up now on ETH USD. Trade up now ETH USD.
But it's definitely high on the month. This doesn't go back that far. But you're definitely very, very high right now on AMD. All right. So we're still dropping on BTC USD. Raj, is it time to buy puts on AMD? You might want to. That's here. Let's see. Let me go to. We're still hearing the audio signals. Oops. Here, this one is easier to see the long distance on this one.
USD. Trade up now. BTC USD. Trade
Yeah,
up
you're
now
here
on
like at a double,
USD.
like at a double top right now. I mean, it could break out of that double top. I mean, you could keep going. You're hit it once. You're hitting it again. So there's no telling what that's going to do. It could really keep going.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
But I don't see any indication of reversal right now. Right now, it's still just
Trade
moving.
down now. ETH USD.
It's just
Trade
clearly
down
moving up.
on ETH USD.
Even on the 1 hour, it's still moving. So you can probably let it ride still for now, but just be cautious. I would definitely keep an eye on it for sure. I mean, you don't know, right? Because you're in unknown territory. You don't know where the top's going to be. You can't predict that.
Trade up now. BTC USD. Trade up now.
I wish I could be more helpful, but when something that's moving like that, who knows? It could reverse any day. If anything, pay attention to what the company's doing. That's what I would really say.
Trade up now on ETH USD. Trade up now. ETH USD.
All right, we're going to jump into that. All right, make that. Let's do this. Oops, -50. There we go. -50, and then take profit as well. There's 50. All right, so I got that stop loss and take profit into place. We're currently in profit right now already with BTC USD. If you're following along, congratulations. They were just breaking that PSAR here. Again, we're moving up with the RSI, and then we had the audio signals as well with BTC USD. As you can see, we had that reversal, so we're moving on up there. Hey, Queen of Denial, what is going on? Hey, Raj, thank you for the likes. I really do appreciate it, or the follow. So we're up $28, you guys. Congratulations if you're following along. So we're just trying to hit a $50 profit here. Again, just making small changes. So the PSAR did just change. It's now on the bottom as well. The RSI is moving up towards the 50. Again, as you can see, the range bars here are all moving up as well. So we're about to hit our profit. 47. Oh, we were just right there, and then it reversed. We'll see if that will push, do one more push up or not, but we almost had that in one little move like that. It can be really, really quick, or it can do reversals just as fast. So you never know what the market's going to do. Again, that's why you always put that stop loss and take profit in place just in case, because again, you don't know what it's going to do. Any point, any time, even though you have indicators, or patterns, excuse me, that look like other ones, they're not the same, because every single trade is always different. And there's always different brokers that come in as well. So again, that's why we always put that stop loss in place, just because we're protecting our accounts. To everyone who's just joining, welcome to my live. I'm here trading daily. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Do you still have to pay taxes for U.S. residents if we use TradeXN? Yes, you do. And that's why we end up using like Crypto.com or Coinbase.com. And you're doing your transactions from like Crypto.com to TradeXN, and then you're sending it back. So any profits that you're making off of your sales when it hits Crypto.com or Coinbase.com is what you're going to end up getting for your taxes. Because you're just moving, right? Because you're just transferring your coin, but you're not selling your coin until you get to there, and then you sell it to USDC or whatever. So those profits that you made is where you're going to end up paying your taxes. Yeah, there's no way around paying taxes. I wish there was. All right, so we're back in profit here on BTC. If you didn't see that, it had a huge move. It almost hit our profit, and then it turned right around the last second and dropped back down. Those are the things I'm talking about. You can't predict. You just can't predict it doing that. And so we always have that stop loss and take profit just in case. Now, if I would have bought in just a second sooner, I would have hit my take profit and I would have made my $50. But I was delayed just a little bit, and so it had time to pull back. So now we're going to see what the market's going to do. Hey, user 92522, do you have to pay taxes? Of course you do. What the market's going to do. Hey, user 92522, do you have to pay taxes? Of course you do. Back and forth.
Trade up now, BTC USD. Trade up now on BTC.
Trade up now on BTC USD. So again, back and forth.
Trade up now, BTC USD. Trade up now on BTC.
Trade up now on BTC USD. So again, there's those range bars. All right, we have
USD. Trade up now on BTC.
trade up now on BTC USD. So again, there's those range bars. All right, we had that reversal from red to green on BTC USD. So again, there's those range bars. All right, we had that reversal from red to green. So we're moving up in profit. There's those range bars. All right, we had that reversal from red to green. So we're moving up in profit again. We're up $30. If you're following along, congratulations there. Hopefully we'll make our $50 profit. Here, moving up in profit again. We're up $30. If you're following along, congratulations there. Hopefully we'll make our $50 profit here momentarily. If you're following along, congratulations there. Hopefully we'll make our $50 profit here momentarily. How can I make benefit or profit here momentarily? How can I make benefit and forth? So again, it's why we have that stop loss and take profit in place. I always know the maximum that I'm willing to risk with my stop loss, and then my take profit, I know what the maximum profit is that I can make off of that as well. Hey Bowser, thank you for the follow. I really do appreciate that. And again, thank you guys for the likes. That does help out my algorithm as well with TradeXN. So as I'm always trying to teach people how to trade safely. It's one of the most important things you can do, and then being very, very consistent with your trading, right? It's just like going to the gym. You have to do it all the time to get big, to get strong. So trading is the same way. When you do it all the time, you get in this mindset, and you start having to really think about it all the time. It's automatic. It's kind of muscle memory. Your brain just remembers how to do this stuff, and having to really think about it all the time. It's automatic. It's kind of muscle memory. Having to really think about it all the time. It's automatic. It's kind of muscle memory. Having to really think about it all the time. It's automatic. It's kind of muscle memory. Your brain just remembers how to do this stuff and what to look for. You start seeing patterns. The regular stuff you might see with, say, like BTC USD.
Trade up now.
I trade it so much, I'm kind of used to the way that it moves. Other different pairs move differently. So it takes time to understand how they flow, right? Every river flows different. Hey, Toby, thank you for the follow. Really do appreciate that. And then Freeze Like, thanks for the follow as well, and sharing my live. That's always really awesome of you guys too. You share my live. That's so cool that you think I'm worthy of you sharing my information. So that's awesome. So again, we're in that trade with BTC USD. We're getting some big candles here, but it keeps bouncing back and forth. So there's definitely something going on. So again, those are the range bars. As you can see, it's kind of fluctuating back and forth, but the bars are always the same size. They don't change in size. They're not like the typical candles that are all sorts of different sizes all the time. These are always in the same move, and the range bars are made up of a whole bunch of different indicators all together. These are always in the same move, and the range bars are made up of a whole bunch of different indicators all together as well to basically read the market. but they only move when the market is moving. Again, they're not based off of time. I have said before too, when you guys are trading, if it's something you want to get into, to end up making money at it and getting away from your 9 to 5, right, job, it takes $10,000 to $50,000 to trade, to where you can end up doing this full time and get rid of your normal job. But we're only trading of that, say 10 to 50,000. We're only trading 1% of our trade every trade. So when I'm doing trades right now, I have 26,000, and I'm only trading with $50 to $100 per trade. I do a couple of those a day. I can make a day's profit, so I don't have to go to work anymore if I didn't want to. Just so that you guys do understand anymore if I didn't want to. Just so that you guys do understand it. So all those together give us an indication of what the market is doing. And again, these have been tested 50 years back, right? So they've been tested for a long time, and that consistency of that strategy shows me that it works well to 61% win rate, as well. So you're always winning more than half of the time. Right, some guys say, they can do 90, 100% win rate. In a long period of time, I don't believe that can hold true. So, but it's all about consistency, using that stop loss and take profit when we are trading. Again, welcome to everybody who's just joining my live. I'm here every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. I always want to emphasize too, I'm not selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'm just trying to grow my Discord community, so make sure you give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of information in the Discord as well. So if you go over here to the Discord, like I said, there's a whole bunch of training videos in here. How to install TradeXN, right? It's the name of the broker. How to put it on your computer, or you can just put it into the top bar there and stream it. How to put money onto TradeXN, how to withdrawals, how to set up your charts so that you have everything set up the same way as me. How to add the different markets, like how to have the gold and oil and the Euro USD and all that stuff added to there as well. How to do the stop loss to take profit. How you do your reversals and pullbacks on the range bars, as well. How I use my indicators. And then here's another YouTube video on how the range bars work so that you understand it. And then if you're in the United States, you have Proton VPN is what you need to use it as well. How much does TradeXN pay you? It's just a small percentage in commission. It's not a whole lot. But every little bit does help, so. Alright, let's see what else we got. Yes, I mean, it's not a ton. I get all my money just from, mostly just doing my trades, so. Alright, so again, we're in a trade right now with BTC USD. And you're in a long position right now. Again, we're in profit. Hopefully we'll hit that 50 point here very, very soon. SCB, if you are interested too, definitely follow me along. You can always join the Discord. We can always have more of a discussion on all that stuff later as well if you're curious. But I mostly just use TradeXN because it has no trading fees and low spreads. So Isaac Michael, the link is in my bio. Just go to like Linktree, and you'll see it there. All right. And then make sure when you're using the range bars, you always click the live button and the audio. Always make sure those are on as well. Let's make sure this is working because I know my internet's being kind of funky right now. Oh, I think we hit my trade. Yeah, we did. Awesome. See, it was frozen. I didn't realize. So we hit our profit right there. So we closed out and made that $52 back. Again, I do apologize. The internet's being kind of weird today. I noticed that when I got home from work, it was being kind of stupid. So, all right, back to that 5 minutes. So again, the PSAR is on the bottom. The RSI is now dropping back down under the 50. So we're going to keep an eye on that as well. And then we're using the range bars here. As you can see, they're already moving up. So what we're looking for too is that audio signal to let us know which way the market's going to go. That's a really big indicator here on my strategy. Like I said, it's always about consistency as well. You just want to treat it like a business, and you have to just be very consistent. The trading strategy will require at least a couple weeks to a couple months to show a big enough data set, which provides whether the strategy is going to work or not. Like I said, it's just like going to the gym. It takes consistency to get bigger, to get strong, right? Or to lose weight, whatever it is that you're doing. And it's the same thing with like scientists when they're trying to prove a theory or anything that they're working on. It takes consistency at it and have to do it over and over to prove that it actually works, right? You can't just do it once because that could be a fluke. This is the same thing. It's consistency, using the same strategy for a while, a couple weeks to a couple months to make sure it's working. So I've been trading with TradeXN as well for 2 years now. I've been trading for a full 3. I started out doing penny stocks and all that stuff on the on different brokers, right, on the stock market, and then kind of find my way into gold and Bitcoin and all of that. I like Bitcoin, especially because like on the weekends I can trade it whenever I want. It's on 24/7. It's not like the stock market that's closed on the weekend. So I'm able to make a little bit of money here. Even like I said, even when the stock market's closed. So crypto market's always running 24/7. And let's see, where is crypto? If you guys haven't seen this, it's pretty cool as well. CryptoBubbles.net. As you can see in this last day, the whole market is currently down right now. Even for the week, it's been down. But if we go to the year, like this one, INJ is up 1,600% on the year. AIOZ 215%, STX 503%, Reindeer 395%, Sol 265%. You can't touch this at the bank. This is huge. ICP 88% in a year's time. What does the bank give you? 0.01%. All right. What did you think? What's with the weird hand movements? That's just me. I'm just talking. I don't know. That's really funny that Seven said that. What is that website? Isaac Michael. This one here, this is CryptoBubbles.net. It's free to check out as well. It's just CryptoBubbles.net, and it shows like you can. This is my personal watch list, but you can go. Yeah, they changed it. For like this is the first page, 1 to 100. This is the top 100 cryptos that are in the market, and it goes all the way up to the to 1,000. This is the bottom of the 1,000. This is the top 100 of the 1,000, right? So it shows which ones are up, which ones are down, and then you can scroll down and you can say, like for the top 100 on the day, which one on the days made the most percentage gains right now, and that would be like Manta. That one's up 15% on the day, and then it shows where it's trading. So it's trading on like Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Mex, and Gate.io. So it's a really awesome place to check out all the different cryptos as well. So, and then it gives you the stats if you click on it, so you can see like the week, the market cap, the volume, what rank it is, all that stuff is there. So again, all that's in the link is I'd say it was in the link in my bio, which I think it is too. Oh yeah, no, it's a badass site, Isaac. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I bought quite a few cryptos off that, and what I really like about it as well is that you can put it like your watch list or your favorites, and so all the ones that I'm interested in, I keep right in front of me, and keep an eye on to see how they're doing, and you can see how they did for the day, which the whole market is down for the day. So honestly, this is they're all on sale, right? It's a red tag sale. About be time to buy before the Bitcoin halving is coming. All right, let's see. Yeah, I could have caught that reversal there with BTC USD. As you can see, it's all green, so it definitely took off while I was talking. All right. Hey Rick, what is going on? Welcome to my live, you guys. Man, you guys hit me 2,000 likes. I really do appreciate that for sure. That's great. All right. Now, to everyone who's just joining, welcome to my live. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. As I said, we're trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker here. No trading fees and low spreads. And I've been with TradeXN now for 2 years. They've been very, very reliable. I've never had any issues with them. If you want to check those out, again, it's in the link in my bio. I have a trade down now on BTC USD. So you're getting that reversal here on BTC or a pullback. Because it's already been, so we pulled back, and you can see how it was trending sideways and then it dipped out. So we had quite a drop. So I'd be, honestly, as much as that dropped, I'd be looking for a longer position. Let's see what the hour's doing. So the 1 hour is still pulling down, but we are getting that pullback. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that, see how it goes. We'll go check gold and see how it's doing.
Trade up now, BTC.
Actually, we just got that audio signal. I'm going to jump in that. All right. Because that was just a little pullback and it pushed right back into the green again. So, hey, Baez, is the market closed? The stock market is closed, but crypto is always open 24/7. So no, it's not closed, or otherwise I wouldn't be trading right now. All right. All right, so there we go. So we have the stop loss in place again, 50 points. We have take profit in place again, 50 points. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Is the futures market always open? No, the futures market is not always open. Futures market is open more than options, but it does close for, I think it's a day or so. And then it closes for, I think it's 4 hours or something like that per day. All right, so if you're following along, we are in profit. We're up $18 right now. Again, looking for that $50 trade. Just doing 50 points as well. I'm only using 1% of my account all the time. Right, it's all about risk management. That's what I'm teaching here is risk management, using that stop loss, take profit. Right, so I always know the most amount that I'm going to lose, I could possibly lose, and then my take profit is the amount that the goal that I'm looking for to make. So I'm looking for a $50 trade. Let's see. When we connect the Proton VPN, which country do you recommend? I recommend the Netherlands. Because the Netherlands and you have Japan, but I like using the Netherlands. It worked really well for me. And again, both of those are free. It doesn't cost anything to use both of those. Anything outside of that costs money. At least where I'm from, maybe in another country, it would be another one for free. But in the U.S., it's Netherlands and Japan. Oh, man. I'm on. Hey, make me another profit. Let's go. Yeah, we got plenty of room to pull back. That was quite a drop we had earlier. So we'll see what happens. Again, that's why you always have that stop loss and take profit in place, because you never know what the market's going to do, and you're just protecting your capital. At the end of the day, that's exactly just what you're trying to do, is protect your capital, so you don't lose more than you're willing to put into your trade, right? Again, welcome everybody who's just joining my live. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, click and give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. We're slowly growing our Discord as well. I'm trying to get to 100 members this year. Again, it's a free Discord. It doesn't cost anything. I just want to have a safe community that people can come to and they can talk about cryptos and stocks and their trades. And all that kind of stuff. If they're stuck and they're having an issue, that maybe we'd be able to look into and figure out maybe what they're doing wrong, so we can get them into profit, right? So again, join the Discord. We have a great community in there already. If you ever have any questions, just hit us up and we'll help you as quickly as possible. I am in there like every single day, so I can always able to answer questions for you. And like I said, I've been trading now for consistency for 3 years. And I've been trading on TradeXN again for like just over 2 years now. Time definitely goes by pretty quick when you're trading all the time. Again, those TradeXN, no trading fees and low spreads. If you do use it, please use the link in my bio. I do get a commission from it, so it's a win-win for me, and it's a win for you. I am able to get a little commission from it, and then you guys are able to learn all this stuff for free. Again, I'm not charging anything. A lot of people do charge for all their information. I don't do that because the internet is full of free information. Let's see, Isaac, did you check that brokerage last time we talked about XNES? EXNES. I'm not sure. EXNES. I don't remember the EXNES, and I might have been really tired at the time. I do apologize. I know I had written something down. I just don't remember if I ended up looking it up. That's probably what it was. What did I do with the... No, so I remember someone else mentioned something about Blueberry Market, which was a scam, by the way. Anybody who was trying to use Blueberry Market, that's a scam. I did look that up. Where did my paper go? I think my lovely wife might have moved my paperwork on my desk. I do take notes. I'm looking to see if, but I think things got moved. Let me check really quick. Yeah, I don't see anything on it, but I can definitely write it down again. We still, so our profit, we're still moving in profit here, almost back to 30 bucks. Let me go back to what was that? Yeah, I don't remember the EXNESS. EXNESS. Is that like .com? XNES? Let's see. 35. Man, we're almost in profit. Here, I'll even pull it up now just because I really don't remember the conversation. I talk to so many people every day though too. Yeah, XNES. Huh? XNES does not offer services to retail clients and individual investors. Well, I'm an individual trader. I'm not an investor. Do you know anything about that? There, Isaac. What's it talking about? Individual investor. Alright, I'm going to say proceed just for now. Yeah, I don't remember the conversation about this at all. But I will keep it on my screen here, and then I will look at it after we jump off. And so if you join the Discord link, we can talk about that there too. So that would be cool. So I said I love talking about this stuff. And I'm always looking for, new things all the time. They say it's good for 4 weeks. Usually they use it, especially people who are in Dubai. Oh, Forex. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll look into it. I really don't like paying for things if I don't have to. Because I'm always trying to save my capital for trading. But if it would be beneficial, it may be worth looking into, right? And I'm not in Dubai anyway. I'm in the U.S., so I don't know how helpful that would be. What I like with TradeXN too, though, is you have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices, so I get to trade all four. I don't know if that site is just Forex. But I like where I have multiple places for sure. What time is it? All right. Yeah. I get off of here pretty soon. I gotta be back up in like 6 hours. The Earth never stops spinning, so we always. And I burn candle at both ends, and I'm never getting enough sleep. Hey, Candy, what's going on? Thank you for following me. I really do appreciate that. And again, thank you guys for those likes. That's awesome. 2.9 thousand. That's great. So we're about to hit profit again. Come on, push that last. Maybe we'll make it one last little push and we'll break over. If we hit profit here, I'm going to jump off. That will be good for the night. 2 wins for the evening would be perfect. It's a good way to finish workday. And again, welcome to everybody who's just joined my live. Feel free to ask any questions as always. If you want to learn more complete for free, give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. So I have a whole bunch of information in the Discord, and it's a great place for a community to learn to be able to talk about crypto, stocks, and Forex. You can learn how to do TradeXN as well, how to use the range bars up here. And these are free to use. They're just in my streaming service. Again, you can check those out. How are you trading? Market is closed. No, the market isn't closed. I'm trading on BTC USD. I'm trading crypto. I'm not trading the stock market. Like up here, Google, Facebook, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, they're all closed. They're not moving. They're completely dead right now. They're not moving. I'm only trading crypto. Bitcoin, LTC, Ethereum, and XRP USD. Those are all moving right now. All right, congratulations, you guys. We just hit that profit. One more trade in the books. Again, that's what it's all about, right? I'm able to talk to you guys and go do other stuff, and it automatically will finish the trade out for me because I have that stop loss and take profit in place. So it's always protecting my capital with that stop loss, and then my take profit is there. For the goal that I'm looking for. That's what I'm talking about. And you guys can do this too. Just join the link in my bio. You can go to my profits. Let's see, for today. Today's $77 for today. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 trades today. Well, one of them didn't really count as like 21 cents. I accidentally left it at 0.01 instead of my 0.5. So that was a full trade though. So that would have been another, what was that, $25? That one would have been. Let's see, 77 there, 201 last 7 days, $1,900 the last 30 days. Out of all my trades. So definitely not too shabby. So it's just consistency, you guys. That's just what it's all about. So it's a 61% win rate with the range bars. Right? So I do this multiple times a day. You're going to have losses. It happens, right? It just happens. I'm just trading small. I'm trading just under 1% of my total balance, $27,000 here, but I'm only trading $50 to $100 per trade. Anyway, again, congratulations if you guys are following along and got into that as well. Let's see, what's he saying? Name not important. I'm getting ready to do my taxes, freaking out a little bit. Yeah, taxes suck. I gotta do those here very shortly myself. Me too. All right. Well, like I said, that was my last trade for today. I don't want to I don't want to overtrade and then burn any of the profits I've actually made today. So tomorrow's a new day, and then we start it all over again. I'd like to stay within 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are pretty close today. It's definitely enough for today. But I should be on again tomorrow morning. I try to get on once to twice a day, if I can, with you guys. So I can teach you how to use risk management, how to trade safely, how to trade consistently, right? And not overcomplicate it. You keep it simple. I only use the RSI, the PSAR, and then the range bars. That's it. 3 things. It's not complicated. So if you guys want, give me a follow. Again, join the Discord. Just trying to get to 100 members this year. If you ever have any questions, you can always hit me in the Discord as well, and I can help you out there as well. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of training videos on how to do all this stuff. All right, you guys. You all have a great night. Hopefully, I will see you in the Discord or on my next live. So catch you all later.